In an electrifying Friday night showdown, number 7 Miami Hurricanes barely escaped with a 38-34 victory over Virginia Tech, thanks to an overturned last-second touchdown that had Hokies fans holding their breath. The Hurricanes, led by Heisman favorite Cam Ward, mounted a stunning comeback after being down by 10 points in the fourth quarter. The game appeared to be in Virginia Tech's grasp when Kyron, the Hokies quarterback, launched a Hail Mary into the crowded end zone as time expired. On the initial call, Daquan Felton was credited with a game-winning touchdown. However, after an intense replay review, officials determined that Felton did not have full control of the ball, overturning what would have been a monumental upset. Cam Ward, despite early struggles that included 2 interceptions and a lost fumble, proved his prowess by throwing 2 critical fourth-quarter touchdowns. His game-winning 1-yard pass to Isaiah Horton came shortly after the 2-minute warning. Ward ended the game with an impressive 343 passing yards, for touchdown passes, 57 rushing yards, and a rushing touchdown. The Hurricanes' offense ignited late, scoring touchdowns on their final 3 drives, showing why they have lofty college football playoff aspirations. Damian Martinez contributed 60 rushing yards on 14 carries, while Elijah Arroyo and Xavier Restrepo added significant plays in the receiving game. Arroyo notched 88 yards and a touchdown on 2 catches, and Restrepo recorded 60 yards on 5 receptions. Virginia Tech, on the other hand, had opportunities to secure the game but fell just short. With a 27-17 lead in the third quarter, the Hokies opted for a trick play on a field goal attempt that Miami's Malik Bryant sniffed out, stunting their momentum. Although Drones threw a brilliant 16-yard touchdown pass to Aiden Green in the fourth quarter, giving Virginia Tech a 34-24 lead, it wasn't enough to fend off Miami's rally. In addition to his passing performance, Drones contributed 52 rushing yards, part of a Hokies ground game that amassed 206 total rushing yards. Bashal Tutin led the way with 141 yards and a touchdown on 19 carries. Despite the heart-wrenching loss, Virginia Tech showcased their potential and will look to bounce back against Stanford next week at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Meanwhile, Miami prepares for a road game against Cal, hoping to build on their narrow escape. This roller coaster game will undoubtedly be remembered, not only for its dramatic finish, but also as a testament to the highs and lows of college football.